As a patent attorney, I see it all the time. An inventor walks in with a brilliant solution to a frustrating problem. That's exactly how this story started. With a client, an idea, and a 3-year pursuit at the U.S. Patent Office. This is the real story of what takes place. It always begins with that aha moment. For my client, it was a clever solution for a common everyday annoyance. But right after the excitement came the fear. What if someone steals my idea? It's a fear that stops most inventors in their tracks. My first piece of advice is always the same. Before you do anything else, you have to find out if your brilliant idea already exists. In this case, we started with a professional patent search to uncover existing inventions, or what's called prior art. A few weeks later, I had the report ready to discuss with my client. While similar concepts were out there, my client's core idea appeared to be unique. With the green light from that search, the next move was filing a provisional patent application, or what's sometimes referred to shorthand as PPA. This is how you plant your flag, basically. It secures a filing date at the patent office and gets you that coveted patent pending status for 12 months. That 1 year of patent pending coverage gives the inventor time to refine their product and prepare for the main event, the non-provisional utility patent. That's the real deal. The formal application that gets examined and defines the legal boundaries of the invention. It's definitely not a DIY project. Work with your patent attorney. For my client, we invested heavily here, drafting the strongest possible application before heading into what I like to call the long wait. After filing, you enter basically a long dark tunnel at the patent office. You don't hear back for a while. Due to current backlogs at the patent office, the average wait time for an examiner to even look at an application is around 18 to 24 months. Now that depends on the technology. Simple mechanical inventions, those will get examined faster than complex electronics, software, computer-related applications. For my client, finally it arrived. The first office action. Oh no, an office action? What's that? An office action is a formal letter from a patent examiner, and it's almost always a rejection. My client's office action was no different. All their claims were rejected as being obvious. This is where many inventors just give up. But it isn't failure. It's the start of a negotiation if it's done right. As the attorney, this is where years of experience comes in. I almost always recommend scheduling an examiner interview and proposing amendments to the claims and just talking to the examiner about their position to get an understanding of where they're coming from. Then we'll usually go back and file a detailed legal argument, just chipping away at the examiner's objections. That's what we did here. The back and forth actually went on in this case for over a year, with more than one office action. But then, after nearly 3 years from the time we started this whole process, the notice of allowance finally came. This is the golden ticket. It's the official letter from the patent office stating that the invention is patentable. It's the best news a patent attorney gets to deliver to their client. After paying a final government fee, the patent was officially granted. So that's the journey for this client and so many of my clients, from an idea to a framed U.S. patent. It's longer and harder than most people imagine. This process, I always say, is a marathon, not a short race, and it tests an inventor's patience and their faith in their own idea. But for my client, and most of my clients, protecting their innovation makes it all worthwhile. If you're an inventor with an idea, don't let the complexity of the patent system stop you. Start with that first step. Call a patent attorney, do your research, do the patent search, and find out if you might have an invention that could be patented. For more stories about innovation and intellectual property, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.